What's up everybody, welcome back to Creating Creations. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I converted my Nerf Zeus Rival from using 6 C batteries and using 2 18650 batteries instead. I'll see you on the other end of this video. I am in no way condoning to modify your Nerf gun. If you choose to do this, please keep in mind that it's at your own risk. To start this build off, we're first going to remove the 2 screws on the back of the gun. This will allow us to pull the battery tray out. After removing the tray, remove all 3 screws from the bottom of it. Then open up the battery holder and remove all 3 of the orange battery separators. Then put all 3 of the screws back in place. Now we're going to measure 3 3/4 inches down on 3 popsicle sticks. On one of the popsicle sticks, measure 3/4 of an inch down from the original marking. Then cut along all of the markings. Now measure less than an inch down on all sticks. Apply glue along the marking and glue the 3/4 inch piece of popsicle stick there. Apply more glue. Glue the other 2 popsicle sticks on the same way. Apply even more glue to secure it in place. Using pliers, bend some wire into a coil. Then glue it in place as shown in the video. I'll trim down the wire and start bending it over to make a small coil. Next we're going to cut down a small piece of popsicle stick. Hot glue it onto the back of the battery holder. Using a knife, cut a slot to the popsicle stick and remove the cut wood with a pair of pliers. Now push the metal wire into the slot. Now I am going to be using some metal to connect the last battery slot because I'm only using 2 batteries instead of 3. You can use any way you want to connect the battery slot. This is just the way I picked, and if you choose to do so, just follow along in the video. The next step is to put the 2 battery holders into the gun's battery holder, and then push the piece of metal that you have bent into the place of the last battery slot. Okay, you're practically done with the build. The next step is to just screw the battery holder into the gun.
Hey guys, I finished converting this Nerf gun to use 18650 batteries instead of the typical 1.5 volt C batteries. Keep in mind I'm only running this on 2 batteries, so that will give me 8 volts instead of the typical 9 volts of 6C batteries. But I already tested it, it does work, and I don't think you'll see any difference. Let's try and see how long these 18650 batteries will last.